Ayan friends, ito yung president and the vice president. O, di ba? Nakita ko sila. Hi everyone! So we're here today in Taipei. Holiday today, so wala tayong mapupuntahan. So I decided to come here. And wala lang, gusto ko lang mapasyalan itong presidential building. Actually, we've already been there before, but since I started vlogging, so try natin kung makakapasok tayo and ipapakita natin ulit sa inyo yung inside ng presidential building. What is this, guys? So let's start. Press start. Okay. What is this? For English, press Y. For English, press Y daw. What is this? Hindi ko mag-gets. Okay. Para siya ng mga security. Okay, and then let's go inside. Oh, there's a lot of pictures here. Garden area. Ang cute, no? How I wish I could see Mr. Lai here. But anyways, if you want to come and visit here, foreigners or Taiwanese can come and visit the presidential building. All you need to do is bring your ID and your passport, and then it's free of charge. And you go to the Boay Street. That's where you can enter the building.
So what they are showing here are the movement or yung everyday life of Taiwanese at yung kanilang progression and the progression of Taiwan. So this is the Taiwan sausage or the longganisa in the Philippines. So it's a must try when you're here in Taiwan. Is the stamp for the new president of Taiwan. Ito yung inisyu ng Chonghua Post na to commemorate the inauguration of President Lai and the Vice President. So ito siya. So friends, when you're here, you cannot make a noise, ha? Masyado silang tahimik. So friends, I would like to introduce to you the President and the Vice President of Taiwan. Ayun friends, so nakausap ko yung isa sa mga guide dito. So before kasi, on our first tour here sa presidential building, you can go upstairs, yung kanilang hallway, yung the president's office. But right now, since meron daw nagkaroon ng situation, so hindi na pwedeng umakyat. So dito lang tayo sa sa basement or dito lang tayo sa may courtyard nila pwedeng mamasyal. So sayang. So because of that, I'll just gonna share with you my pictures time that we went. Gift shop. So they have a gift shop. You can buy, ayan yung mga Taiwan, yung may mga Taiwan na names. Yep. So after that, so this is the exit already. Finished touring inside the presidential building, and the only memorabilia na nakuha ko is this one. Ayan, yung pinapaliwanag nila yung I don't know yung yung scene doon sa loob, and then the sticker that they will gonna put on your clothes. Dito i-stick nila to. It means that you're a visitor of the building. So, inuulit ko, you can come and visit every day from 9 to 11:30 in the morning. You don't need to pay anything. Just bring your passport. Yun. So, recap natin yung pagpasok natin sa loob kanina. Pagpasok namin kanina, they thoroughly check our bags, actually. And then, you can take pictures, you can take a video. Right now, they don't allow visitors up there na. So, doon lang kayo sa baba. But it's okay, at least nakapasok kayo sa loob and makikita nyo naman yung yung tawag dito, yung kanilang ground. So this is it. Oh, look. Actually guys, napakaganda nitong building. Just looking at it, yung red bricks, yung red color niya, ang ganda-ganda sa mata. After this, you can go to Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall, Di Bali. It's only a few minutes walk from here. From here, ayan na. That's the, hindi masyadong makita, but that is the 101 building.